Good afternoon. Today I will be discussing about methods which we can use in solving limit question. Methods for solving limit question. Basically, when we talk about methods, there are three methods. First is known as factorization method. Second is known as rationalization method. And third one is known as substitution method. Now, these three methods we apply in any mathematical operation depending on its nature. For example, if we speak about factorization, हम factorization method को we apply where there is algebraic expression and we need to bring it in simpler form. But जब हम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड की बात करते हैं, then we make sure that denominator should not come equal to 0, because if denominator becomes 0, then the function becomes not defined. Rationalization method we apply in that question which carry under root or square root. वैसा प्रॉब्लम जिसमें अंडर रूट यूज हो रहा हो, we can use rationalization method. And you must have read, if suppose for example, if 1 by root a plus root b, if the problem is like this, what we do, we rationalize it by multiplying it with opposite sign. रेशनलाइज हम लोग इसलिए करते हैं टू मेक द प्रॉब्लम ईजियर फॉर आवर सॉल्यूशन. थर्ड मेथड इज सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. Substitution method, when we speak about substitution method, what we do, we put limit, we substitute limit x approaches a. If the function given is like this, what we do, we can write it limit h approaches 0 f a minus h. And we can also write limit h tends to 0 f a plus h. So these methods are known as, this method is known as substitution method. Now I will solve some examples which will help you to understand all these three methods and how and when to use factorization method, rationalization method and and substitution method depending on the nature of the problem. For example, if problem is limit x tends to 2 x square minus 5x plus 6 by x square minus 4. Now you can see that it is in algebraic expression where we can factorize it to make it simpler. So what we do, we can write limit x tends to 2. If you factorize x square minus 5x plus 6, we get x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now x square minus 4, it is in the form of a square minus b square, and we know it is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write x plus 2 and x minus 2. Now we can cancel x minus 2 and x minus 2. So it becomes limit x tends to 2, x minus 3 and x minus 2. See, now once we check, if we put up value of x as 2, so denominator we get 4. So now we can put up x is equal to 2 in this solution, in this function. तो ये हो जाता है 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 2. So we get minus 1 by 4. So this you can relate it with that we have solved it with the help of factorization method. Okay. In second example, I will discuss if the given question is limit x tends to 0 x by 1 minus under root 1 minus x. So we can see that in this question square root is there. To make it simpler, what we do, we rationalize it. So what we do, we with opposite sign we multiply it. So it is 1 minus under root 1 minus x. So we do 1 plus under root 1 minus x and 1 plus under root 1 minus x. So what we get, limit x tends to 0. In numerator we get x into 1 plus under root 1 minus x. And in denominator again it is a minus b or a plus b. So we can write a square minus b square, b is this one. So under root 1 minus x whole square. It becomes limit x tends to 0 x 1 plus under root 1 minus x by 1 minus, it is, we know that under root b का स्क्वायर क्या होगा b. तो यहाँ पे ये क्या होगा 1 minus x. तो it becomes limit x tends to 0. न्यूमरेटर में x इंटू 1 प्लस अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स बचेगा. नीचे में 1 प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस 1 माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस x. What we can cancel this one and this one. Now it becomes limit x tends to 0 x into 1 प्लस अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स और नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में वी गेट x. Now what we can do, we can cancel this x and this x. Now न्यूमरेटर में क्या बचता है, we get, equal to 1 plus limit x tends to 0 1 plus under root 1 minus x। अभी हम x का वैल्यू 0 रखते हैं तो वी गेट 1 plus under root 1 minus 0, that is 1 plus under root 1 and that is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2। तो इसका जो वैल्यू आ रहा है इट कम्स 2। तो अभी हम देख सकते हैं कि इस प्रॉब्लम में हमने which method we have used? We have used rationalization method. So today I have discussed about factorization method and rationalization method problem. In my next video I will be discussing about substitution method. Thank you so much. Be safe and take care. Goodbye.